Hello, coffee roasters. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a new feature that just released a few minutes ago. Um, it's called a reference roast. It allows you to load in the bean temp curve from a previous roast session into your current roast. Um, I think this will make it much easier to reproduce a roast than just using the same roast profile alone. Um, in any given roast, there are going to be some um, different things that will cause fluctuations in your bean temp or cause it to be slightly different. And with your previous bean temp curve displayed on the screen, you can better get back on track. Whether it's a different temperature outside or wind gust, or you open the lid of your grill for whatever reason, any number of things can cause the bean temp to be a little different. And with the actual graph displayed on the screen, you can notice it right away and make adjustments. So I'll go ahead and launch the app in my emulator and show you how it works. So you'll click on roast and you'll see the select roast profile just as before, but there's a new field called reference roast. When you tap that, you'll see a list of all your previous roast sessions. I'm going to choose this Equilibrium Roasters roast session that I roasted on the 19th. Now, when you hit begin roast, you'll see a gray dashed line appear. Oh, there it goes. The emulator's a little slow, but you'll see a gray dashed line that represents the bean temp curve from that previous roast. And all you have to do, if your current bean temp, which will be the blue line, gets off of this, you can make changes to your target to get it back on track and reproduce that previous roast session as close as possible. I think using the same roast profile worked well, but I think this will give us even more, give us more tools to reproduce a roast.